Good morning and a happy Valentine's Day to you. As we take a peek at our radar, really quiet conditions right now across the Tennessee Valley. There's rain much further to the west of us. You can see that high pressure further to the south. So we're going to be kind of in between a low pressure system and a high pressure system today. So a mix of sun and clouds are going to be expected. In fact, I wanted to show that combined together with clouds and radar. We've had a few of these high thin clouds pushing across our area this morning. Any denser cloud cover is still hanging out to the west of us, but this is going to pass over us. Now, do notice a little bit more of a break to the west of that before more clouds and rain get here. So we will have a kind of an increase in clouds, a little bit of a decrease before more heads our way. Let's go ahead and talk about what to expect then. So for Futurecast today, that wind really coming up from the south. It's going to get breezy this afternoon into the evening time. Here's that first wave of clouds passing through this morning. There's that little bit of that break that I was talking about, but overall for the day today, partly sunny skies. So even though we'll have more clouds today than yesterday, it's still going to be really nice for your Valentine's Day. And because of that southerly breeze, warm temperatures above what's normal, highs near 68 degrees. Now, by this evening, clouds are going to increase once again, eventually becoming mostly cloudy, continuing with those breezy conditions. There's just a very small chance today we could see a couple of isolated or spotty showers. First a little bit this morning, but then again this evening. But even on Futurecast, you're not really seeing that on there. So I think more likely it's going to be dry for your Valentine's dinner plans. It'll really be tonight after midnight that we have more of that green showing up on the map. These are just some widely scattered light showers. That's it. That hit or miss activity will continue through the day on Wednesday as well. So certainly just scattered, really light rainfall on Wednesday, not expecting very high totals, but maybe a day just to have that raincoat handy. Thursday, that's the day where we have that rain more likely across the entire area, even some bursts of moderate to heavy rainfall. So it does look like we're going to have a couple of waves. The first one in the morning time. This is Thursday early morning, about 6:45, moving across our area. And then a second wave kind of building up for your Thursday afternoon. You can see that line developing right there for Thursday afternoon into the evening, as that's going to be pushing through across our region as the cold front passes. So Thursday is going to be a day that we want to watch, not just for the rainfall and how that may impact sometimes driving for your commutes, but also a low end risk for some severe weather. And I'm going to show you that map in just a moment. But let's take you to Thursday night into Friday morning. That rain ends and pushes out of here. During the day on Friday, clouds decreasing, that wind coming from the northwest. Friday is certainly going to be a lot colder of the day. We're looking at official highs on Friday happening at midnight. Daytime highs really only in the 40s, so certainly back to that chill in the air. Before we have that cold air, though, we have the potential for storms on Thursday. This is a severe outlook. It's going to be a big cold front, so you're seeing that risk from the Gulf Coast all the way up to the Great Lakes, and we're just kind of squeezed right in between. Most of our area is at this level 2 slight risk. We're seeing our eastern communities at that level 1 marginal risk, so regardless, we have that potential for an isolated severe storm. Damaging wind gusts are going to be the primary threat, but unfortunately we will have to keep an eye on the potential for an isolated tornado. So Thursday will be a storm alert weather day. Total rainfall through early Friday morning, so a little bit on Wednesday. Most of this happening on Thursday, about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches across the area. For today, it's certainly going to be a mild day ahead. Those high temperatures in the mid to even upper 60s, 68 for Chattanooga, Dalton, Fort Payne, 69 in Scottsboro, 63 in Altamont today with that mix of sun and clouds. Winds from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Again, it's going to get breezy this afternoon through the overnight hours. You'll continue to see that southerly breeze at 10 to 15, but those gusts at 25 to 30 miles per hour. Overnight lows are certainly not going to be as cold as the past couple of mornings. In fact, most spots in the low 50s. Those scattered showers possible for your Wednesday, but still mild in the 60s. In fact, we'll be in the 60s for Thursday as well. That's our storm alert weather day. Rain likely, and again, those embedded thunderstorms that we're going to be watching for. And then Friday, back down to colder air, 47 for your high. Saturday morning, really frigid, 27. I don't even know if there's any races that are happening on Saturday morning, but if you happen to be doing a 5K on Saturday morning, know it's going to be really cold, but at least you're going to get sunshine as we go through both Saturday and Sunday.
There's probably something
That's
on
what I'm thinking. There's
Saturday.
probably something on Saturday morning, right?
For
Race
sure.
to the thermostat.
There you go. Get that heat on.
That's what you do.
It's your own race.